Hello beauties, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be using nothing but drugstore items. Even like I'm wearing my contacts right now and I got them through Walmart, so that's drugstore. I guess they're actual prescriptions. All these products I'm using today are going to be from Walmart. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. A little of this goes a very long way. I'm going to say a little bit, that's all I use. I don't know if you can see that. That's all I use. This Maybelline New York Baby Lips Sunscreen SPF 20. It's this blue and pink one. I don't even know if it's still being made or not, honestly. I think it is. So I'm just gonna let that sit on my lips for a little bit while I move on to the rest of my face. This is a sponge I got from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was on the clearance aisle. So now I'm using this Hard Candy Color Correct Cream in pink because I do have a couple spots that are annoying me right now. Mainly under my eyes. And I'm just going to take this corner right here dab that under where I can put all that product. So now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in 110. This one oxidizes a little warmer on me personally, which is fine. It's summer, so I may still look really pale, but I am a little darker than I usually am. So I'm going to use this and just dab that all over and on my lid, my eyebrow. I realized just now when I'm doing this that I don't have any setting powder from Walmart or any drugstore. e.l.f. Illuminating Palette. I'm going to use this one right here, the bottom left. Now moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using this Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette 260 Deep Brown. I'm going in with this Color Workshop eyeshadow primer. I totally forgot that I had this, which is a Color Workshop contour color. It's taped, I think. Is it taped? No, it's not. It looks really warm for my skin tone. Oh, that is way too warm for me, I think. So we're not gonna use that. It's way too warm. It looks orange on me. I'm gonna be using this Color Workshop eyeshadow trio. Looks like there's a white, kind of a purpley gray, and a sparkly black. And this is a Color Workshop eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in with that white and put that under my brow. And I'm gonna put this actually on the inner corner of my lid as well. Oh shoot. This pan is so small and I accidentally touched the black with the freaking brush and it went into the freaking white. See if I can replicate that on this side. Oh boy. So now I'm just going to take the actual black itself and apply that to the outer corner. This is not turning out how I wanted it to. But I don't use it for lips, I use it for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with that purpley gray. And I'm just rolling the brush. I'm going to put that right in my crease, windshield wiper motion. Unexpected turn, but I guess we're gonna have storm cloud eyes. Drag that purple under my lower lashes too. I'm gonna go back with this eyeshadow brush that I used earlier and take some of that white, smooth it out a little bit. It's not bad as far as pigment goes. It doesn't feel bad on the eyes. But right now my biggest complaint is that the pan is so tiny. So we're done with the eyeshadow. So this is the color. Okay, it was like really pigmented on the brush, and then I tapped a bunch of that product off, and then it wasn't pigmented on my cheeks. It's not super like in your face. Well, in real life it doesn't look like that, but on the camera I can see it's like showing up more. A lot of fallout. Some of that under my eyebrow. Yeah, there's a lot of fallout in that. I'm going to be using this Hard Candy Walk the Line eyeliner in Asphalt. It is a liquid liner. And this is the brush. This liner is waterproof, by the way. London Scandalize in Sparkling Black. That's what I'm going to be using today for my actual eyeliner. I don't don't really like this one that much because it shifts a lot throughout wearing it. So I'm just doing this on my upper and lower waterline. So I'm using this Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express mascara. This one, which is a Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and it is in the color Retro. Number 74. It actually has like a little hole in the doe foot.